Hey there, I'm calling from Kate, and I talk about anything and everything to do with architecture and interior design. And in this AutoCAD tutorial, I go over every basic command in AutoCAD. So right now, I'm going to talk about trim. Trim is basically like the word itself. You're trimming something. You're removing the fat of something. So going straight into AutoCAD, this is how it works. If I have a box like this, and I close it, and let's say I was drawing and eventually I figured, oh, I want to do this, and so I offsetted this by 2 inches. So let's say I wanted to divide, let's say I wanted to get rid of this line here. I wouldn't just delete it. I can't really do that. So what I want to do is I want to trim this part out. So how I would do that is I would type TR for trim. I select the objects, this, that, and that. Then I'll press enter, and then I select the one I want to trim. So that would be that. I can also go here and trim that. That's how trim works. I got rid of this. But if I wanted to do it in a much faster way, let me undo it so I go back. If I wanted to, remember before I selected this, I selected this, I selected that, then I pressed enter, and then I selected this again. If I wanted to be fast, I'll just trim, enter, enter twice, and pick what you want. And that's how it works. So let me try that again. Now let me put another polyline here, close. I want to get rid of this line here. I'll type TR, enter, enter, there, and there, and I can keep going. That and that. That's how it works. When it comes to an architectural sense, when it comes into a drawing, let's say I have this quotes part. Let's say I wanted to add a small door. So I would go here, I would put that line, I would offset this by 2.5 feet. If I wanted to do that, I would type trim, enter, enter, and there we go. And I can always highlight and make it a big piece. So then now I've created that space in which I could do stuff. Oh, and I could trim again, trim. I want to click there, highlight there, click there, click there, and there I have my space. So that's how trim is. Trim is very simple, but it's a very quick and effective tool. Anyways, I'll be going over more tutorials, more very quick tutorials, and I go over some more in-depth tutorials if you want to improve your architectural drawings. Anyways, that's it for today. I'm Khalid from Kate, and I talk about anything and everything to do with architecture and interior design, and right now I was going over trim. I'll see you guys later. Bye.